this, like how longer we are in the Philippines, the more cool things we are discovering, especially here in Kidapawan. I always thought like having a massage is super affordable in Thailand, but apparently in the Philippines it's even cheaper. So we're here at a Sebo massage, and they say every morning between 10 and 12 you can have a massage for only 200 peso. Like 200 peso is, what would it be, like $3? So what is better to start the day with a massage?
In the morning you get like 200 pesos per hour, and you can add 50 pesos if you want a hot stone. 1.5 hours is like 300, so you pay 350 for 1.5 hour plus hot stone.
So I see here a special announcement. If you're looking for an extra service, this is not the right place.
But if you're looking for an amazing service, this might be.
This might be the right place. So just finished a 2-hour relaxing massage. We were planning to go to the tailor, but we have a flat tire, so first need to fix that. Hope we can find a repair shop. So it's always the question, what is it gonna cost? I was already so often super surprised in Thailand when we had like a flat tire that it almost cost nothing. I'm just curious here in the Philippines how it's gonna be.
They said you don't need to change the tire, but you need to change the steel around it.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Is that okay for you?
Yeah, that's more than fine. As long as we don't have like a flat tire anymore, then I'm more than fine with it. It's already finished so quick. Tire is there. I think that took like 10 minutes. And what was the cost?
100.
100 peso?
Yeah.
100 peso is like $1.50. That is super cheap. Nice. Let's go to the tailor. So I've been told that we can find a tailor over here in the market. It's just a bit big, so I hope we can find it. So yeah, we need a tailor because I have a jeans and the button came off. So now we need to repair that. Yeah. I just love this kind of markets. You know, like every corner you have no idea what you're gonna find. Oh, here you got like basketball shirts.
Botones sa pantalon? Kaya ni mo? Okay. But you have to buy a new one like this because you cannot take that off.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, as long as. So that's easy because you need now the button, and then he just buys it there from the shop on the other side. How long will it take?
Ma'am, 2 minutes na lang. Hangyo.
2 minutes. 1 minute. Yeah, we'll
2 minutes, sir.
Yeah.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Rick. What is your name?
Rick. John.
Oh, so you sell all basketball shirts here?
Yes.
Are you playing basketball yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm playing basketball.
In the Kidapawan team?
Kidapawan City.
Yeah.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Netherlands.
Netherlands? Yeah. Mabuhay, Philippines.
Yeah, nice to meet you. You're so quick.
What we call about this?
Sewing
machine?
Sewing machine.
Sewing machine. Sewing machine.
And do you have a lot of people coming for something to sew?
How much your age, sir?
What do you think?
I guess 27?
Oh yeah. No, you're my
1996?
Friend, no. 38.
38.
Yeah. Is that your kids?
In my house.
Oh, in your
Two
house.
kids.
Yeah.
All boys.
Yeah. How old?
5 years old, and my son is 3 years old. The younger. Okay na.
Yeah. Oh, awesome.
It's all done.
Okay. It's done.
In Bisaya, okay na.
Tapos na.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Okay kayo.
Okay ka.
Amir. Very good.
Yay!
Sir.
So they teach me a
English.
new Tagalog words every day. But is it Ilonggo? Ilonggo? Or Bisaya?
Saya.
Ah, Bisaya. Okay, yeah.
Love, is okay na? Like this?
Amazing.
Okay. Are you a vlogger, sir?
Yeah.
Vlogger?
Yeah. You want to find us?
I will follow you.
Yeah.
Okay, please follow this vlogger Rick and Love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Okay kayo.
Did you pay it?
Not yet.
Ah, okay. You said 50?
50. It's okay. $50 million.
$50 million.
Ano
Yeah.
Keep the change.
okay.
Oh, sis, thank you.
Okay.
Wala na another? Oh,
Okay. Have a nice day. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Filipino people, they always amaze me with their kindness and their happiness.
What's happening now?
So you just fixed the pants for 50 peso. That is less than €1. Sorry?
Do you know how to go to love? I think
Yeah.
just like
So since the last weeks we have been doing YouTube live and TikTok live, and that is as well where we met some subscribers of us. And even one of them lives in Kidapawan, and that is Lavinia. It's the same name as you.
yeah.
And today we're gonna pay her a visit.
Yeah. Look at me. I look like super oily because of the massage.
We don't want to come empty-handed, so we just buying some fruits.
It's just
For her?
It's just gonna be a quick high.
Quick pie, yeah.
Yeah, because it's raining too. But it's like
So what is it?
it's lanzones. Look like this.
Oh,
You
is
see,
it
you
not like
remember?
long gone we had in
Somehow.
Thailand?
You try Thing. Yum. Sweet.
Ooh,
You like it?
can we have double portions for ourselves too?
Ate,
Yeah, I like it,
dalawa ka kilo, i-separate lang.
Yeah. Is that love there on the corner?
Hi!
Hello.
Love, ikaw yan!
How are you doing?
Hi! Oh, so nice to see you! That's
How
Rick.
are you? Here. Hi, how are you?
Found this girl.
Love,
super oily.
love, we have something for you.
Oh, yeah, fruit.
Some fruit for today. Yeah. You're welcome.
Where are you going, Dai? My eyes is hurt.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. What happened?
I put an eyelash and then I slapped my hand and stung my eyes with
With the
brush.
eyelash.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Aw. So what is the lucky number?
Hindi
What
ko
is
lang
the lucky
So,
number?
so what is this shop?
from STL. It's like gambling like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So gambling in the Philippines is legal.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think this is okay. Yeah, this one is alright. So what is this girl? This is the result?
Yes.
I see. So,
This is the previous result and then this is the new result.
do you want to one?
I better spend money for something else.
Tapos
But
magkano
how does it work? So I buy. How much is one ticket?
10 pesos and
10 pesos lang.
pinaka is 5.
5 is the lowest one.
5 is lowest. Okay, then we want to have 2 tickets.
Yeah, okay.
One
We're
from
gonna have
10 and one from 5.
Okay. Paano?
Yeah.
Magtaya ka?
Try lang, girl.
Just imagine it's gonna be our lucky day. It's gonna. Love, if we're gonna win something, you're gonna be involved too, huh?
Yeah.
Because you gave us the winning ticket. Yeah.
It's 10. Ano?
The next draw is 2:30.
The next draw is at 2:30.
Okay.
So, girl. 3 number.
So my birthday is at the 2nd.
Oh, I know. My birthday is 3, so we put 203.
Okay.
Okay. 203. 500.
Oh, this is your daughter.
Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So if you're gonna win, love, you're gonna win 5,500.
Peso?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
kayo upgraded to die?
Girl, we might go home or something because of the rain.
Oh, you don't have a change?
Ah, it's okay, keep the change.
No.
No, you keep the change.
No,
We don't want to have the change.
it's okay.
I'm so shy.
No, it's okay, just keep it. Let's keep the change, huh?
Yeah.
It's okay. Love, should we go? Because it's almost
Yeah,
raining.
it's almost gonna rain.
Girl, nice to see you.
Have an amazing day.
So now, I'm hungry. We are hungry, so we were gonna go to Jollibee.
That's as well the place where we're gonna announce something what we have to celebrate, because we're already busy for the long time and it's finally happened, but we will tell you that in a bit.
We're gonna go to Jollibee.
Cheat meal. Oh, you might already saw in the title, we have something to celebrate. Love is... Oh! I guess a lot of people probably thought that.
Yeah.
It's like, we are finally, after 2 years, monetized by YouTube. And
Yeah.
that just means a lot to us. It means like after all the effort, we finally get a little bit sponsored from YouTube when we make a video, and it took a lot longer than we were expected, but I'm so happy that we're finally there.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And then so we have actually a friend, a member of this channel. It was like Jeffrey.
Yeah.
And Jeffrey, one time when we were doing live, Jeffrey sent us something and he said, to go get yourself Jollibee.
Yeah.
So this video is sponsored by Jeffrey.
So the thing is now, when we monetize, we can as well have members. So we were like setting up these memberships, and we were actually thinking like, who wants to become member of us? But it's
Well,
like,
we're not expecting, but Jeffrey was the first.
and it's now 2 weeks later and we have 9 members. It is crazy. We love everyone who is following us, supporting us.
You guys
It just
are
means,
awesome.
Yeah, means a lot to us.
Thank you so much, Jeffrey, the crazy member of the channel, for sponsoring this meal. If you guys want to be a member, you will have more access and all the fun in the world. Please join us. We will really appreciate it.
So, but now we first have to go home because we're still expecting a package. Thank you. So the last weeks my office have been the living room, and that is not the most convenient, because like in the morning we want to eat and then all the laptops have to go from the table. So now we ordered a table for the second bedroom to make an office over there. So let's see how easy we can disassemble. It's 1 hour later and the table is there. Got some screws over, so I don't know, I really have to worry about that, or I just didn't need them. So let's put all the stuff here. What do you think? What do you think?
You got your own room,
Yeah.
your own table, you have your clothes here too. Do you want to have extra pillow?
Yeah, that's okay, yeah.
Yeah. Now this is gonna be your room and I'll be in the other.
So you literally got now there like your clothes and your working place, and I have it all here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we are roommates.
We are roommates. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to sleep over at my place tonight?
You don't have aircon. I have.
You have, yeah.